Hello guys, welcome to our channel American Ministry. Our today's topic is why rich people think differently about money.
As we delve deeper, consider the importance of risk. The poor often avoid risk altogether, fearing loss. In contrast, the rich embrace calculated risks. They recognize that the potential for growth often requires stepping outside of their comfort zones. By investing in opportunities that others might shy away from, they open doors to wealth that many never even consider. This mindset allows them to build legacies that extend beyond their own lifetimes. Furthermore, explore the concept of education. The poor might view formal education as the only path to success, whereas the rich understand that self-education is equally vital. They invest time and resources into learning about financial literacy, market trends, and entrepreneurship. This thirst for knowledge empowers them to make informed decisions that enhance their wealth-building strategies. Instead of relying solely on institutional education, they seek out mentors, read voraciously, and continuously adapt to the evolving financial landscape. Consider also the power of networking. The poor often isolate themselves, thinking they can navigate their financial struggles alone. On the other hand, the rich prioritize relationships, recognizing that connections can lead to partnerships, investment opportunities, and new avenues for growth. They build networks that support their ambitions, leveraging these relationships to share ideas and resources. By engaging with like-minded individuals, rich people amplify their potential for success. In this environment of collaboration, they inspire and challenge one another, continually pushing the boundaries of what they can achieve together. Strong networks not only provide support but also access to invaluable knowledge and insights that further deepen their understanding of wealth. Lastly, let's examine the value of patience. The poor often seek quick gains, chasing after the next big idea or trend. Conversely, the rich understand that true wealth is built over time. They focus on long-term investments and the compounding effect of their capital. This patience allows them to weather market fluctuations and avoid impulsive decisions driven by fleeting emotions. By nurturing their investments and allowing them to mature, they cultivate financial stability and create lasting wealth that withstands the test of time. In summary, the journey to wealth is rooted in a transformative mindset. Rich individuals strategically navigate risks, prioritize continuous education, cultivate valuable networks, and exercise patience. By adopting these principles, anyone can reimagine their relationship with money, ultimately shaping their financial future. Embrace these shifts and begin your path toward genuine wealth today. In conclusion, adopting a wealthy mindset is crucial for financial success, as it transforms how you perceive money, work, and opportunities. By implementing these strategies and changing your perspective, you can take control of your financial destiny and ultimately achieve the wealth you desire. Embrace this mindset, and let it guide you to prosperity.